So once again, thanks everyone for joining the session who are joined remotely. So today I'm going to discuss about packet capturing on real Cisco devices. Okay. So what you have done during labs between the routers or switches in GNS3, you're just clicking right. You're just right click on the cable and capturing the traffic, right? Whatever it is. So it is capturing the traffic between two devices, two routers.
Please
Okay.
share screen.
Yeah.
Screen is not visible.
Everyone, it is not visible.
Not visible.
Not
Yes,
visible,
sir,
not
it is
visible.
not
It's
visible.
not visible.
One second. Let me. Okay. I'm not sure why it is. Now, can you please confirm now? Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry. So now, what I'm trying to tell you is, so generally, if you want to take a packet capture in GNS3, you guys are doing, right click on this cable and start capturing. It will navigate what? Wireshark tool so that you can start capturing it. This is Wireshark tool. Currently, no data is going. Okay. So if you want to say ping right, ICMP traffic will be captured. Okay. So just double click on this router. It is just turn on that. Okay. Now config terminal, assign IP address, interface G1/0, IP address 192.168.1.1 and 255.255.250.0. Okay, no shutdown. So any new batch people, November 24th people, you may not understand this. Okay, don't worry. After few days you will understand this. But I will tell you what is the purpose of this. Okay, yeah. So now interface G1/0, IP address 192.168.1.2, 1.2 or 1.1. Okay, here I configured 1.1. Let's configure here 1.2. Okay, yeah, I'm just configuring point-to-point IP address and no shutdown the interface. Now initiate a ping 192.168.1.1. Okay, so it starts sending, it start pinging it, right? Now you see the traffic, right? This is this is a packet capture between the two routers as per the GNS3. Okay, in real world also you can do packet capture, right? Now if you want to take a packet capture on your Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi you see the live thing. Okay, see this is Wi-Fi interface. Wi-Fi is also a interface. You can click on it and you can do a packet capture. So also if you're connecting if you're getting a internet connection through LAN cable, so you can do a Wireshark analysis. I mean you can take a packet capture on LAN interface. So many LAN interfaces we have here. You can take anything. Okay, you can take packet capture on anything. Okay, na? Yeah. So now let me take a packet capture on Wi-Fi. See here. See, it's a live data. You see right currently this is called live data. This is a live packet capture. Whatever you access in internet, everything will show you here. It's a live packet capture. See, it's keep on going, right? It's keep on going. So I just told you two examples. One is a packet capture between the devices in GNS3. One is a packet capture on Wi-Fi. So both are doing same thing. It is capturing what exactly is going behind the cable or behind the Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi is also interface, but it's a wireless interface, right? So whatever the data, whatever the internet I'm accessing right now, everything it is capturing and showing it. Okay, so this is what we do. But in real world, you don't have this kind of mechanism. You cannot simply right click on it, take a packet capture. No, since it is a lab device, so GNS3 is providing this feature to us easily. But in real world, when you work as a network engineer, you need to take a packet capture. How? Through commands. I will show you now the commands today and how to take a packet capture. Once you have captured the traffic, right, you need to store in your flash memory. From flash memory to you need to copy to your local PC. From your local PC you need to open with this Wireshark so that you can analyze it. You understand the step by step procedure. First of all, on the real devices you need to execute a commands and capture a traffic on the interface, then save that file. You need to save that file in your flash memory. That file you have to copy into your PCs, and then from your PC you need to open with Wireshark. like if you have a video, you will open with VLC player, media player, right? Similarly, that file also you need to open with Wireshark. What is that pcap file? Okay. So now let me tell you something interesting thing. Okay. So why you need to take a packet capture first place? Why? Why it is required? So 10 years back, how I got a job, in as a network engineer. Assign a host name to a device. Directly they ask this question. I said it, host name and device name. Then you selected. That's it. As simple as that. This was 10 to 12 years back story. Now it is not like that. Now you have a lot of competition. So all the companies are looking for a candidate who are having core networking skills. What do you mean core? This is called core, in depth. Okay. If you learn anything like what is DHCP, it will assign out IP address automatically to all the computers. That is basic. What is core? What is DORA process? What is discover? What are the fields inside? So if you dig into more, right, that is called core. Okay. So now why this packet level learning is important, packet capture is important, I will tell you. So recently, how many people are aware of AWS cloud outage? See here, AWS cloud outage. Online guys, you also aware of it, right? See, everyone learned
Yes.
DNS right in our class. So if you type www.google.com on your browser, the first step is to resolve the IP. So whatever you learned, right, same thing happened recently. So almost 2000 companies got impacted. 2000. See, a major AWS cloud outage occurred in October of 2025. October means just 1 month back. Okay. So caused by a bug in the automated DNS management system. DNS management system. సింపుల్గా మీకు అర్థమయ్యేలాగా చెప్పాలంటే the DNS resolution was not happened in one of their cloud server. Okay, we used to call technically DynamoDB service. So what it is doing, it is not resolving the company website domain name to IP to domain name. It is not resolved. Systems cannot understand names, right? So if it do not resolve the IPs, they cannot connect through TCP and we cannot see anything. So Canva, a lot of companies got impacted because of that. Okay, yeah. So in during that situation, it's a how many millions of dollars lost? Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. It will give you accurate information. So what happened? Right? I'm just copy pasting. What is the impact? Impact in terms of dollars. Okay, in terms of dollars. You guys understanding what I'm saying? Loss ఎంత వచ్చిందో చెప్తున్నాను. So how much loss? 72.8 millions per hour. $72.8 million per hour. So the total outage was 15 hours. Guys, are you getting my point? Online guys, whoever has joined. Hello,
Yeah,
everyone.
yeah.
Right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So just imagine this is the outage, and now this is money matters, right? So now all stakeholders, managers, everyone, they will create a P1 ticket. It's a P1 issue, right? It's impacting. Now everyone can join the meeting link and they're asking, hey, there is a huge outage. 2000 customers got impacted. Millions of dollars are we are losing, right? So now what you need to do? They will involve each and every engineer who are maintaining these servers. Like AWS cloud support, they will involve networking team. They will involve each and everything. Okay. In a data center, you will see a network engineer, front-end engineer, like cloud support engineer, development engineer. There are a lot of people. Everyone will be involved there. Now, what exactly is the issue? You need to identify. No one knows, right? So customers are not accessing their websites immediately based on that issue. Okay, they need to check internally, is the resolution is happening or not. Then they identify DNS resolution is not happening. Now who maintains the DNS resolution? DNS resolver, right? Like DNS maintains by, like, who will maintain? Server engineers. Even how the servers are connected. Now why I'm telling you this packet capture now. All the servers are connected to where? Our networking devices is called L3 switches. You can say in real world Arista or Cisco Nexus switches. Okay, in real world what devices they will connected? Arista or Cisco Nexus switches. Whatever it is, it's a networking device. All the servers are connected to the networking devices. And now customers also connected to the net. We are the delivery boys. Front end customer is connected, back end servers are connected. Whatever the customer is asking request, right? We are just forwarding to the server. So now we need to check if the customer request is coming to our device or not. Okay, if we are receiving it, whether we are sending to server or not. Okay, so let's open here. So now you can understand this is a server. Okay, okay, where is that? Okay, what is happening? Okay, let me remove this everything. Now take a server. Just understand this is a server. Okay, what is this? This is a server, some DNS server. Okay, okay. Now you are connecting internet. This cloud is called internet. Okay, lot of ISPs are connected. Okay, and now this cloud, right? Internet. So these servers are connected to where? Our switches here. Okay, our switches and routers. This is a data center. Okay, this is a switch. These are the server. This is a data center, and you will have a one more router like this. Okay, so generally I'm telling you the normal connectivity, not a. So it may be lot of thing. Okay, you see the connectivity, everyone. So if I want to tell you, this is a server, this is a switch, and this is a router where it is connected to internet, and these are the customers, again they are connecting to the internet like this. Okay, let me. Okay, you can connect like this. Just okay, I don't have any other interface. What I can do, I can lay a cable from here to here like this. It is just connecting like this. Okay, okay. Now you can understand this is called a data center. Just understand. Now you see, right? Let me zoom it a little bit. Now you see, right? This is called data center. Just understand. This is called data center. Now in data center, what you will see? You will see lot of servers, right? Suppose this is a server, one single server. You see plenty of servers like this. You see Google data center picture, right? Whatever it is. Mhm. In our demo class, I show you a picture. Okay. Yeah. These are the racks, guys. Are you seeing it? These are the racks. Okay. Let me open here. Are you seeing this picture, everyone? Right? Below that you can see a servers. Top of that all the servers are connected to where? See here. Are you seeing these white color devices here? This is called our networking devices. This is called Cisco Nexus switches or Arista devices. Are you seeing here, everyone?
Yes.
Right? Yeah. So these devices are connected here. Now the problem is they will blame network engineers. Like hey, networking. See, if the DNS server is not resolving, right? First of all, they'll contact network engineers only. Hey, please check at your end. Is their device is not processing the data, or anything, any issues at your device. So what you have to do during that P1 incidents, you need to join the meeting and you need to ask, hey, what is the issue? First of all, they said, hey, my server is not reachable, whatever the server. Now what you need to ask, what is your server IP? Everyone, please focus, okay? What is that? The customer will create a ticket with you, and you will get a ticket, and he is saying that server is not reachable. So first what you need to ask, okay, what is your server IP? Okay, you need to ask the server IP. Definitely server will have a IP, right? You need to ask the IP. That IP, you need to check it in your devices. From log in your device and check the reachability. I am able to reach the server from my networking devices or not. Customer will tell you lot of things from source to destination. So customer is located in somewhere else, the server is located in data center. Okay, mediator is, who is the mediators? Our networking devices. So they will ask, hey, from this source to destination I am not able to reach from this customer. So what you need to ask, you need to ask the source IP. What is the source IP? What is the destination IP? See, if anything happened, right? If accident happens, right? Generally, they will ask, right, from where you are coming, where are you going, which location the accident happened. Investigation, right? Similarly, the data is traveling from source to destination. So if anyone asking you, to resolve that issues or what is the issue, root cause analysis or whatever it is, if they said, any customer said, hey, there is a server is not reachable, not only server, anything, any services or printer is not reachable, whatever it is. Generally, I'm just taking an example of this AWS cloud outage. So customer, websites all are hosted in this here servers. Okay, it is resolution is not happening. What they need to check? So how the servers are connected? You need to ask first source IP and destination IP, and those source and destination you need to check. Log in your networking device and check the reachability to source IP from your device to source IP. Is it reachable or not? If it is reachable towards customer side, no issue. Understand? Okay. So now see, this is a customer. Okay. Now you see, this is a customer. This is the customer is connected to this network. Just understand. Okay. Okay. Now you can just understand he is the customer. Okay. Now this is your networking device. R1, R2, R3, your networking device. Log into your device and initiate a ping to customer. Suppose customer IP address is 192.168.1.1. So you will ask a source IP and destination IP. Server IP is, it is 8.8.8. Just consider it. Okay. Now from this device to customer IP, you can check a reachability. If it is pinging towards customer side, there is no connection issue. Everything is good. Initiate a ping towards server. If it is pinging, it is good. Hey, ping means layer 3, right? Layer 3 is good. Even though you are not accessing your website, means maybe layer 4. After layer 3, layer 4. Who is responsible layer 4? You need to tell them. Join the P1 call. Hey, as a network engineer point of view, everything is good. We have a reachability. Okay, server, right? This is a server. This is a DNS. What is the DNS port number? That is for query. Also for TCP connection, it is 443. It will establish through HTTPS, right? So it is 443. Now you need to check those port numbers are blocked or not. Where you will check on your devices. You know, right? ACLs, access control lists. You need to check is that port numbers are blocked or not. So checked it and no port number is blocked. It is allowed. First of all, if it is working fine already in previous, it means it is good, right? We haven't made any changes. The everything is working fine. Now only it is not working. It means we didn't make any changes. It means 1 hour back it was working fine. So it means we didn't block any port, right? It was working fine. Now it is not working means you need to check the configuration. Anyone make any changes? Show version. If you see show version, right, or show running config. So let me log into one of the real device. Okay, I have a lab device. I'm logging into one of the real device, guys. 168.0.129.120. Sorry, what is that? 101 or 101? Okay. So this is my real device at office. TBN. Okay. See, you're able to see, right, everyone? This is the real device.
No, sir.
Yeah. So now show running config. If you check it, right, it will tell you, hey, when was the last configuration change? Are you seeing it? So today 6:30 UTC I changed it. You can check this configuration. Hey, is there anyone change the configuration? No one has changed any configuration generally. It is up from last 24 hours. I mean, like, configuration change date is something like 2 days back, 3 days back, like that. Check the timestamp. First of all, when it issue comes, right, you need to note down the timestamp. When exactly the issue occurred. Based on the timestamp, you can check it. Configuration is not changed on my devices, and I have the reachability to customer as well as the server. Now TCP ports are blocking layer 4. If any layer 4 is blocking, check it. So you need to join the meeting and you need to tell to each and everyone, managers and everyone, hey, from networking device, I am able to reach the customer. From networking device, I am able to reach the server. Okay, layer 3 is clear. Now layer 4, ports are not blocked, no configuration changes identified. Everything is good at my end. Even though still they are thinking that you have the issue at your end. Now strongly you need to tell. Okay, how you will tell? By taking packet capture. Here the packet capture will give you a perfect resolution, perfect analysis. If you initiate a ping, right, now if the customer is initiate a ping, the data is traveling like this, right? Let me remove this. uh, how to delete here. Okay, I can say it is connected to like this. Just a second, guys, let me. What is happening, man? Okay, I want to draw a cable, so I cannot draw. Mouse is not working. Now this is fine. You can just consider this is a cable connectivity. Okay, just understand like that. Okay, now, yeah. Now the thing is R1. So customer is, so this is G1/0. You can consider this is G2/0, just like that. Okay, G2/0. Now how to isolate the issues? So when any P1 comes, any critical issues comes, what exactly you need to ask the customer? Hey, what services are impacting? You need to ask that first. Okay, services are running in servers, right? You need to ask what is the server IP. So that is the destination IP. What is the source IP? So customer is trying to reach the server, right? Source is customer, destination is server. So source IP, destination IP, you need to gather from the person who created a ticket, right? You need to ask this information, and then okay, source IP is this, destination IP is. Now you have to ping from your device towards customer, towards ping is fine, and there is no configuration changes also. Still they're blaming you. Hey, still issue at your end. So to perfectly answer it, take a packet capture. It means packets are hitting on my interface here, incoming interface, and it is sending to this server. It means the data is coming to me and I'm sending out also. So it is a proof. So packet capture is a proof saying that I am receiving the data and I am sending the data, so that no one will question you. Is it clear, everyone, why packet capture is important? So the packet capture will tell you to troubleshoot the issues. In case if you take a packet capture, if the packets are not hitting to your device, it means that you have to tell, hey, data is not receiving at my end, how can I process it? You need to tell them that issue at your end. Suppose this is Cisco device. So generally in P1 call, the companies use multi-vendor things, right? This is a Juniper device. Okay, so you did a packet capture here and you are not receiving any data, any packets. It means, hey, I'm not receiving any packets, issue at Juniper end. So Juniper team will troubleshoot it. Okay, in case if you're receiving it and if you're not sending out, right, there may be issue at your end. అర్థమవుతుందా అందరికీ? సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇప్పుడు పర్సన్ మిస్ అయ్యాడు, సీసీ కెమెరాలో నీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చాడని చాలా మంది ఫోన్లో ఏం చెప్తారు, ఆ పర్సన్ నీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చాడు నువ్వే సస్పెక్ట్ అని చెప్తారు. నీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చాడని ప్రూఫ్ ఏంటి? సీసీ కెమెరాలో చూస్తే వచ్చింటే వచ్చినట్టు లేదంటే లేనట్టు, అది ప్రూఫ్ కదా. ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే, ఇది నా డివైస్, నా దగ్గరికి డేటా వచ్చిందో లేదో ఎలా చెక్ చేయాలి? ప్యాకెట్ క్యాప్చర్ ఇస్ అ ప్రూఫ్. ఎవ్రీవన్ గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్ ఆన్లైన్ గైస్? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? So whether the packet is hitting my device or not, how you will identify? By doing packet capture. As a network engineer, you have to be very clear. First, whether the data is hitting my device or not, you need to take a packet capture and tell them, okay, hey, the data is not hitting my device, issue it Juniper. If the data is hitting and you are sending out also, yeah, the person వచ్చాడు, చెప్పాను, పంపించాను, దాని మీనింగ్ నేనేం చేసినట్టు కాదు కదా. సో ప్రూఫ్ అనమాట. సేమ్ ఇలాగే రౌటర్ రిసీవ్ ద డేటా అండ్ సెండ్ అవుట్ ద డేటా. ఇట్ మీన్స్ ఐ డిడ్ మై జాబ్, ఐ రిసీవ్డ్ ఇట్, ఐ సెండ్ ఇట్ అవుట్. సో నో ఇష్యూ at our end. This is how you need to isolate the issues at device level. Very important. Okay, so these routers and switches are delivery boys. These delivery boys should deliver the data. What data? Customer data to server, server data to customer. See, these delivery boys, if they not work properly, the data cannot deliver. That's why still networking domain is still in that huge, right? It's a very huge very huge demanding profiles. Okay, I mean domain. Okay, now you got it right. So now if you understand need of packet capture, well and good, we can start doing with the commands. Still, if you have any questions, let me know. See, మనం ఒకటి నేర్చుకుంటున్నామంటే ఎందుకు నేర్చుకుంటామని తెలియాలి. ఇప్పుడు ప్యాకెట్ క్యాప్చర్ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాం అనేది అర్థమైందా అందరికి? నిద్ర వస్తుందా? అర్థమైందా?
No, sir. No, sir.
Online guys,
Okay, sir.
everyone understand?
Yes,
Anyone
sir,
having any
sir.
question? Still, if anyone having any questions, why we need to take a packet capture, ask me. So then clear చేసిన తర్వాత then we can start doing with commands. Anyone having any questions, people who join online? Okay, so is it clear? Almost I can see 82 people are here on the Google Meet. All are okay. So shall we start guys then? మరి కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ చేద్దామా, ఎలా చేయాలో? ఆర్ యు రెడీ? ఓకే,
Yes,
సో
ready.
yeah,
Okay, sir. Yes, sir,
yeah.
I'm ready.
So the real device, I am going to do it packet capture on real device. What is a real device? I have a Hyderabad device. See here, this is what? This is my Hyderabad device. Are you seeing it? Hyderabad KBHP. Are you seeing it here?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now show IP interface brief. This Hyderabad device is connecting to JNCIA device. Okay, so where G is 0/0. Okay, show interface description. See, this 0/0 is connected to where? JDK. JDK means JNCIA. Okay na? So GI 0/0 is connected to JNCIA device and the interface is up. Here I configure 2.1, there I configure 2.2. Let me open another tab. Right click, new session. What is the JNCIA IP? 29.102 or 3? Can you look into that rack and tell me the management IP of JDK? 2, right? Yeah, it's 2 only. It's 2 only. Guys, you understand? See, this is Hyderabad router, left side. This is JNCIA router. Check it, show IP interface description, IP interface brief. See, 2.2, right? G1/0 connected to 2.2. Show interface description. Now it is connected to 2.2, right? Is it clear? This port G0/0 connected to JNCIA and this is connected to Hyderabad. Okay. Now from JNCIA to Hyderabad, I am initiating a ping 192.168. What is that? 2.1. See, it is pinging. Is it clear? From JNCIA to KBHP Hyderabad, what is I point-to-point IP? 2.1 and 2.2. This is 29 dot, and these are the management IPs to log in the devices. This is called point-to-point IP. Okay, now is it clear? Right? So now
Yes.
let's send a repeat. I'm sending ICMP packets, 100 packets I'm sending. Okay, all are reachable. Now the thing is, you know, just saying it, okay, where the data is, where the packets are hitting on interface, right? Yes or no? So now what you have to do on KBHP router, where you have, on which interface you have connected, GE 0/0. Okay, now let's start the configuration to do packet capture. What is that? Monitor capture. See here, I have already done that. Okay, monitor, let's do that. Monitor capture. Now what you need to give? First you need to give buffer. Buffer means what is the size of it? Okay, buffer and name. What name you're going to capture? ICMP traffic. I am giving this is a name. Okay, ICMP traffic and circular buffer. It's a circular buffer. It means once it is filled, right, it will erase the last data. It is keep on storing up to some extent. So now I need to give a size, right? What is the size of it? Like 512 KB I'm giving. So whatever data I'm capturing, right, that data should be captured in this buffer. What is the buffer name? ICMP traffic. That buffer size is 512 KB. Okay, beyond that it cannot. If you don't specify this buffer size, it will utilize your entire system memory. It will create a problems. Okay, you must specify this. So what is the first command? What is the first command? See, latest Cisco devices commands are different, guys. Okay, these commands are different. This is which device I'm doing on? Show version. Which, what is the device model? It is 1900 series. See, what is the device model? It is show version, right? You will see here. What is the model? 1900 series. C1900 series. It is a normal operating system. See, commands you can get it in Google. It's easy, but understanding is different, right? So you just understand it, the process at least. Okay. So first, what you have to do? Monitor, capture, buffer name, circular. After that, give the size. Okay. These two commands you need to give. And now you need to enable packet capture. Where you have to take a packet capture? Tell me.
Interface.
Very nice. Interface. So now monitor, capture, and you need to give a point. Okay, where exactly you are going to capture. So IP safe. IP safe is you're going to take a packet capture on IPv4, right? You have a lot of points here. See, if you want to take a IPv6 packet capture, do it. IPv4 you can do it. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to take a packet capture of IPv4 now. IP safe and create a name, point name. It is different. I'm going to create a name capture, just capture. Okay, this is a point name. Okay, now which interface you need to capture? Where it is? GE 0/0, right? This is the data. I want to do a packet capture between JNCIA and Hyderabad interface. Okay, so gigabit, once again 0/0. Okay, okay, and which direction you want to capture? Both the direction. So in and out. Okay, in and out. Yeah. Wait, brother. Okay, so which direction you need to capture? Both in and out, right? So now give this. You understand what I'm doing? Okay, you need to give you a capture point, and what exactly you're taking a packet capture IPv4, right? IP safe, and what is the point name? You need to give a name capture. So execute this. This is what you need to do, and you need to what is the name of the buffer? Buffer name is ICMP traffic, right? That buffer should be associated with this IPsec capture. Okay, what is the buffer size? So now you are capturing the data, where you are storing it. You need to give that buffer name, right? What is the buffer name we gave here? ICMP traffic. 1 second. Let me tell you that. So here, if you want to take ACLs, if you take ACLs, right? Access control list. What ACLs will do? It can filter IP header, TCP header fields. If you want to capture a data only from the specific source IP, create a ACL, standard ACL. If you want to capture a data only for this specific port, see in here, right? In here, in TCP here, if you want to take a packet capture of TCP, you can create a port with like this, right? Only TCP. So it will enter it. So only TCP data it will filter it. So you can filter with anything. Okay. If you can filter with anything, like filter it with source IP, destination IP. If you want, filter means what? There is a huge data. You want to only filter with specific thing, right? Either IP address or source IP, destination IP, whatever it is. We did it right in DNS class. Okay. Yeah. In real world, we don't have this kind of filter mechanism. You can take a packet capture with ACLs if you want. I don't want to filter with anything, just sample, right? So now you have to associate with this. So yeah, monitor capture point. What is the point? It is associate. And what is the capture and so monitor capture point associate. This is a capture name, right? This should be associated with what is the buffer, that buffer name? ICMP traffic. Let's see exactly. If you give a small mistake also, it will, you cannot. Yeah, ICMP traffic. This is the one, right? Yeah. Okay, you need to give this. Okay. Yes, I'm checking, cross checking also. Yeah, you need to give this. That's it. Is it clear? It means whatever you are capturing on GE0/0, that will be stored in where? ICMP traffic buffer. Now it is, everything is clear. Shall we start now? So shall we start the capturing? So it means first you need to monitor it. Monitor capture point and start. What you need to start? You need to start capture. So this capture is a keyword where you applied on interface, right? That's it. It started now. Now can we initiate a packets? Can we initiate a packets now? I'm initiating a packets, 100 packets. So JNCIA, I'm sending a data from JNCIA to Hyderabad. Which interface? GE0/0. Okay. All the data, whatever the ICMP data, right? It is hitting on ICMP echo request replay. Everything will be hitting on this interface. Whatever it is hitting, it will capture it. See. Now packets has sent. Now what you need to do? Whatever during the issue of time, right? You can take a packet capture and stop it. Now stopped it. Now what you have to do? You need to export it. You need to export in where? Local flash. So the command is the same thing. You need to export to local flash. Yeah. What is that? Monitor. Okay. 2 minutes. Monitor capture buffer. What is the buffer name? ICMP traffic. This is a buffer. This is a file, right? And export the flash. Flash is a local memory. Okay. Now you give a name. So you can give a name ICMP dot pcap. So it's ICMP traffic, right? Or you can say ping traffic. You can give any name. So now it is stored it. So if you want to see, right, direct flash. See, are you seeing ICMP dot pcap? Yes or no? Are you seeing everyone? This is what we gave, right? Now how much data it is storing? 7024. Okay. So we stopped it actually. Shall we start it again? See, I'm starting again. Okay, now initiate. Now this time 10,000. Give 1,000 packets. Send 1,000 packets. Okay, now stop it. Now see the file. Now you need to export it, right? Now see the file. See, now it is increased, right? See, you every time you need to capture it, export to your flash, and now this is a file. What is the file name? icmp.pcap. Now this file name you need to copy to your PC to visualize it, to see it. Okay. Now how to see it, how to copy it? There are a lot of ways. If your device support SCP or FTP, FTP definitely they will support. WinSCP is there. WinSCP you can log into the device and drag and drop GUI method. But let's do it now. If you're interested, I will show you that as well. How to copy this icmp.pcap file to my computer. Are you ready? Okay. Now,
Yes, yes, ready.
so now you have to download what? You need to download TFTP. Okay, TFTPD64 is there. Okay, which is it? Which one's laptop? Okay, once again. Rajesh, is this your laptop? Huh? Okay, right, guys. I'm telling you. So this is a TFDT. You need to download this TFTT. You see, right? TFTPD. Okay, download it. Okay, now click on it. So now you see, right, quick download latest, right? Yes or no? Just click on it. It will download. Once it is download, open a file and install it. Okay, finish. Now what is that? TFT. See, so now this is very important. Okay, give permissions. Now where you want to where you're going to copy the files, right? Those files you want to save it in one folder. If you want to create a folder, create a folder. So now this guy, yeah, he created a folder, right? D folder. I'm going to create a new folder. What is that? What is that? Packet capture, right? Packet underscore capture underscore files. I'm creating a folder and this is the path, right? So now what you have to do, this is a path. You need to copy this path here and browse it here. If you want to browse it, it will take the path. See, whatever you are going to copy, right, all the files you will store here. D folder, packet capture. Okay, now whatever the files you are copying from the router, that will store here. Okay, now this is ready. Now what you need to do, you need to initiate a command on your device. Where? Here. So yeah, the command is, one second, I'm checking. I think pcap.pcap, right, with tftd. Okay, so the commands are, నాకు గుర్తున్నంత వరకు copy. So copy what? Copy flash. First you need to give a flash colon. What is the file name? Yeah, very good.
ICMP.
This is a file. So I am copying in my flash memory. This is it, and space tftp. That's it. Enter it. What is the hostname IP? It means na computer IP. What is my computer IP? Let's check it. What is my computer IP? cmd ip config /all. Oh my goodness. What is my computer IP? 29 dot what? 204. Okay, it means 192.168.29.204. What is the file name you want to give? Give the same file name. Okay, So it is copied successfully. It is done. See, 100% is completed. Now where are you now? See, the packet capture arrived here. Now right click on it. Open with what? Wireshark. Now this is what you did a packet capture. See, this is what the packets are captured during the time. Now open one by one and analyze it. Guys, you understand? This is what we do in real world. So when I was working in a cloud environment, when you worked in a Amazon or Oracle, big device, big architectures, right? Lot of servers are connected. Then there is a thousands of devices in between them. Now they simply said, hey, my server is not reachable. Now how the server is connected? Through our networking devices. So that's why they simply create a ticket with us. Hey, you need to do it at your end. So this is a process. Okay. So what you need to do? Take a packet capture. First you will, right? You need to initiate a ping from our networking devices to the customer IP and destination IP. So first of all, again I'm asking everyone by showing the topology. Okay, is it clear everyone? This is a customer, this is a server located in data center. So customer is saying that, hey, I'm not reachable 8.8.8. So who is responsible? Networking. Who is networking team? This is a networking team, right? This is a networking team. I can give some, yeah. Okay, the orange color box is a networking team. They said, hey, issue at your end. So what you need to do, either R2 and R3, right? So you need to initiate a ping to customer. From our networking devices to customer, it is pinging. From our networking device to server, it is pinging. Okay, it means layer 3 reachability is good. Now you need to check, is there any ports are blocked? So show configuration ACLs, you can check if the nothing is blocked, well and good. Now take a packet capture on G1/0. Where exactly it is hitting? G1/0. How you will come to know whether there is a right interface in the device? There are a lot of interfaces. How you will come to know? Can anyone tell me how you will check my destination is exiting through this interface? Routing? Someone said. How you will come to know?
By checking the routing tables.
Yes, very good. By checking the routing table, see it here. Here the route is learning on which interface is exiting. So by checking the routing table, you will come to know which interface it is exiting and it is coming. So now this interface take a packet capture by using which commands? These commands. Currently I show you, right? These commands. Okay. So guys, do you want all these commands right now? So this is just an example of 1900 series. These commands you can get it in internet also, for depends on the model. This is normal iOS operating system, but iOS XE there are different commands. Okay, but this is the same way only. Okay, ultimately do a packet capture, create a file, store that file in flash memory, and from flash to copy to your system. How I did now? TFTP, right? Immediately I just opened, right? This is a file. In front of you, I did a packet capture and I opened it and do analysis and quickly tell them. If you see only 2.2 is sending to 2.1, it is good. See, we are sending. See, request is coming, reply is also going, right? So no response found. Okay, reply, you see here now. Now this is a way. Request is coming, but reply, are you seeing any reply packet here? So it is captured only one direction. Okay, by this, hey, request is coming, reply is not going. It means there is a issue at my device. Why it is not generating a reply? You need to tell like that. But I captured only one direction, maybe. So that's why it is not showing. Okay. So guys, understood everyone? This is about today bootcamp. So these are the commands. Okay. So if you want, I can give you all. Okay. So what I can do is I can, anyhow, we have a recorded sessions. I can document all this, 1900 series. I have a document and other devices also. This is a normal operating system, iOS. I will create a file for iOS XE and iOS XR and I will give it to you by UID. Okay, na everyone? This is normal operating system where you can execute this command. For iOS XE, different commands. For iOS XR different commands, I will give it to you. Okay? Yeah, that's all about today. Thank you. Anyone having any questions? Does anyone having any questions? Ardhamainda session. So real time, so experienced candidate in non-technical and technical, utilize this method and convey in your interview. Hey, what have you? They will ask you. So is there any critical issue you have observed recently and contributed to resolve that issue? Yes, tell them, hey, one of the server is not reachable and they're simply saying that networking issue. I checked everything, L1 side, routing, and take a packet capture and see that the incoming packets are not hitting my device and concluded that there is no issue at networking side. Is it clear? This will give you a huge weightage in your resume. Okay, packet capturing and analyzing, it is called. So whatever you analyze the packets and telling the analysis, right, that is called what? Root cause analysis. If anything happened, right, police people, we can investigate, right, what happened at the time of issue, right? Same way as a network engineers, during the time of outage, investigate it by using this method and conclude that, hey, this is what happened. I'm not seeing any packets at the time, so I cannot process it. You need to check with a different team. So different team people can check at their end. Okay? Yeah. That's all for today. Anyone having any questions? Hello.
Sir, for packet capturing, any configuration is required before capturing?
No, nothing. Capturing is just, routing switch. What do you mean by that, man? So configuration is required for packet capturing. That's what you did, right?
Yeah. But actually, Wireshark is different software, right?
No. You're confusing. Have you joined from the scratch or you joined middle in the class of middle?
Middle I joined.
That's a problem. Watch the recorded session. Okay. So Wireshark tool is a application to do it at front end. Commands. See, that's what I said. In GNS3, you do directly right click and do a packet capture. Right? Start capture. It will capture it. But in real world, it is not. In real world, you have this kind of mechanism. So that's why you need to what? You need to configure. What you need to configure? These are the commands. To take a packet capture, you need to configure a commands. Monitor traffic. See, are you seeing these commands? So first you need to define this. So what you need to define? Monitor, capture, buffer, traffic, size, and circular. And there are a couple of commands you need to do it. Okay, watch the recorded session. You will come to know from from the starting onwards. Okay, and also these commands are vary depends on the model. For iOS operating system it is different, and iOS XR it is different. iOS XE is different. Okay, those commands I will provide to you. Okay, right. Okay, any questions? Any questions?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక రౌటర్లో ఈ ఐసిఎంపి ఇదంతా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసాం కదా, కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసాం కదా ఇన్కమింగ్ ట్రాఫిక్ క్యాప్చర్ చేయడానికి. మరి అవుట్ గోయింగ్ ట్రాఫిక్ ని క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలంటే అదే రౌటర్ది.
నువ్వు అవుట్ గోయింగ్ ట్రాఫిక్ కూడా క్యాప్చర్ చేస్తున్నావు, కానీ ట్రాఫిక్ అవుట్ గోయింగ్ ట్రాఫిక్ వెళ్ళట్లేదు కదా.
ఓకే
నువ్వు ఏం చేయాలి? నీ డివైస్ నుంచి సెండ్ చేయాలి. నీ డివైస్ నుంచి ఆ డివైస్ కి సెండ్ చేస్తే అవుట్ గోయింగ్ ట్రాఫిక్ కూడా క్యాప్చర్ అవుతుంది. నువ్వు ఏమి ఇచ్చావు? బోత్ అని ఇచ్చావు. ఇక్కడ మనం బోత్ అనే కదా ఇచ్చింది. ఇన్కమింగ్ అవుట్ గోయింగ్ బోత్ అని ఇచ్చాం, రైట్? యా. సో అది. సో నువ్వు నీ డివైస్ నుంచి పంపిస్తే అప్పుడు డేటా కనిపిస్తుంది, క్యాప్చర్ అవుతుంది. క్లియర్? అర్థమైందా? యా. వన్ నాట్ హియర్ మనం బోత్ అనే ఇచ్చాము ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, సి బోత్ అని ఇచ్చామంటే దీని నుంచి ఇన్కమింగ్ వచ్చింది, దీని నుంచి బయటకు వెళ్ళిందంతా క్యాప్చర్ అవుతుంది. సో నువ్వు ఇక్కడ నుంచి పంపిస్తే అది బోత్ క్యాప్చర్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? యా.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Sir, actually, I am from north side, so I am unable to understand this language. I mean, Tamil or Telugu. I don't know.
I'm speaking in English only, man. Entire class was in English only. Whatever you ask the doubt, that is in Telugu.
Discussion point, if you can speak in English, then that will be helpful for us.
See, you can ask the question, right? I can explain in English. Whatever he's asking in Telugu. So what he's asking is, so can you do a packet capture of outgoing traffic also? I enable a both. Both means incoming and outgoing. See, in and out, right? In and out. I said I enabled both. It means it can do a outgoing packet capture also, but you're not sending a traffic from your interface, right? So that's why it is not captured. You can, if you send it, it will capture it and it will show you. Understand? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I explained. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Okay, so watch this recorded session, which is very, very, very important. All the TAC engineers in this world, they are doing this stuff. You know, TAC engineer is the highest role in networking domain, right? We used to do this. Finally, we used to ask the customer, hey, do a packet capture and give it to us. We will analyze it and we'll tell you. Okay. So if you're good at this packet level, see why Tungabhadra Networks is good. We are learning the things at packet level. Is anyone you find outside? So this is a TAC level training, and I want to tell you this from long time, but today it happened. Even though we got an issue with internet, we supposed to postpone it, and everything is fixed. Now I am explaining it. Okay. Yeah. Requesting you everyone watch this recorded session multiple times. And for Juniper, for Arista, everything is the same process. The only thing is commands are different. Okay. The process is same for all the networking devices. Okay. The only thing is the commands are different. That's it. Even in interview, they will not ask you commands. They are asking the process, because the commands you will get within ChatGPT. I was also not sure. These are the old devices that I'm referring in ChatGPT, whether it is correct or not. You guys are seeing, right? I'm checking it here. So we are humans. We cannot remember each and every command, but you have to remember the concept. How you can do that. That's what they're checking, your logical skills, your thinking, you know, how you are thinking. That is called problem resolving skills. Even if you're not sure about the command, you have to explain the process. Hey, I'm not able to recall the exact command, but this is how you need to fix the issue. Okay, that's fair enough. You'll clear the interview. Any question?
Yeah, sir, in real time.
One second, online guys. Offline person is asking one question. Yes, please tell me. Yeah, so logs. Okay, if you want to see the logs, see this. Okay, so show logging is a command. Okay, what is a command to check the logs?
Sir, you're not sharing the screen.
I just shared
Okay.
it. You can see it now. Check it. Are you able to see now? Hello?
Yeah, now we are able.
Now you're
Yeah.
able to, right? Yeah. See, so if you want to check the logs, right? Okay, show logging. That's it. You will see all the log message at the time of issue. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, these are the log message. Are you seeing, right? Based on the timestamp, what exactly will happen, everything you will come to know here. See what commands I have executed, everything you will see here. Okay, so for protocol troubleshooting, you can use a debug command also. Debug, and you can debug it. If you want to debug ARP, whether the ARP packets are exchanging or not, right? ARP request, ARP reply, debug ARP, debug protocol, debug protocol what? OSPF. There are a lot of things here. Okay, debug is an option to check the transactions like OSPF. It is exchanging the packets, right? Debug protocol OSPF. Give that. You can see. Okay. Yeah. But generally, these are the things. Show logging is a command to check the logs. Debug is another command to troubleshoot it. And another one is packet capture. Okay. Yeah. That's all for today. Thank you.